You know, a big conversation in our region right now is how we recover after these massive deadly tornadoes. And we can tell you that nearly 2/3 of the homeowners north of Del Mar are likely uninsured. This is coming from the state here. So on top of that, we also know that those with insurance are also hitting some roadblocks, filing claims. This is very typical after massive storms. So we are joined by Steve Martinez and Jared Runnels from State Farm to talk about claims. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate your time because I know you're busy.
We are.
Right? First of all, we know that the Missouri Department of Commerce is estimating that there might be like 39,000 car claims out there, car insurance policies. On top of that, we're also looking at 29,000 home and rental policies out there. Those are stories that we've been working on. So, how are you trying to make people whole when there are that many claims out there right now?
Yeah, Michelle, we're so proud of our folks in Missouri. We show me here in the state of Missouri, and so many of our folks have volunteered to go to Florida for Hurricanes Milton and Helene recently, and those devastating wildfires in LA just earlier this year. Well, this time, sadly, it's time for the rest of our neighbors to come help us here, specifically in St. Louis. So we have people from all over the United States, hundreds of people that have come to help us because it's a huge, as you mentioned those numbers, it's just a huge volume of numbers, and we want to get to our customers as fast as we can. That's true of State Farm, that's true of the industry, to come and help people recover from what is just a devastating storm.
Yeah, and like always, we know it takes time because even the National Guard we reported is on the ground today, and this is several days after the storm. So I can only imagine that, just that everything takes time. So what is the first thing that people should know if they have to file a claim?
Well, absolutely, if they have damage, they should call their agent, local agent, to get a claim turned in so we can get started. And with State Farm, they could go to our website, statefarm.com. They could even use their mobile app to get the process started and really just help let us get started so we can help take care of them. We also have a customer care center that we've set up locally as well to help through this situation.
Okay, and I'm sure, have you been working around the clock?
We working, yes, around the clock. All of our folks are working at least 12 hours a day, 6 and 7 days a week since the storm happened.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Well, I have to ask about adjusters too, because some people we've talked to say that they've just been waiting on adjusters to reach out to them. And I will say personally, my dad lives on the other side of the state, so he's in Kansas City, and an EF1 touchdown on Monday there. Yes. So his adjuster is not coming out until Friday, but he had cleanup, in between then. So I'm just wondering, can people continue to clean up before an adjuster actually sees their property first?
Absolutely.
What would you recommend?
Yeah, absolutely they can. We triage our claims. We try to get to the most devastating homes first and then go down in severity. And so we have a lot of people here to help. And so, but there can be a lag time from when they report the claim to where we can get out. They can certainly start to clean up. It's so important. We all have a phone in our pocket with camera and video capability. It's great to video, take pictures of the scene before, but being able to clean up tree debris and all the things that may be scattered all around, protect your home and the remaining valuables that are still there, tarps to protect from rain that might be coming that could damage things that weren't damaged by the wind or tornado. So those are all important tips that we would like to share.
Okay, and something I would like to share, because I know, you might be watching this at home and going, well, I don't have insurance. You just said people don't have insurance. What do we do? But you had a really nice announcement that we want to share with people.
Yes, we love it when we can help people that are customers, but we know it's just devastating. So many people that don't have insurance. And so I would like to announce State Farm grant of $100,000 to some of our great local organizations, and the American Red Cross. We're giving $50,000 earmarked to helping people for tornado recovery. Convoy of Hope, $25,000, and Feeding America, all dedicated to help people recovering right here in our communities.
Oh my goodness, so that's wonderful. Even if you don't have insurance, you can still get help from State Farm, and just the industry in general has really come together. So I do appreciate, your time. Oh, I have one more question. Going forward, what is some advice that you can give to all of us about I don't know, insurance, or maybe keeping track of your items, or, is there a certain kind of insurance that we should be getting?
Let me tell you this as I lead it up and kick it off to my friend Steve here. I have 5 grandkids, and I want to be there for them, so I go to the doctor every year to get a checkup, right, to make sure that everything's okay. We need to do that with our insurance. Every year we get this packet of information and things and declarations and endorsement. It can be confusing, but your local State Farm agent like Steve can help you. I encourage you once a year to have an insurance checkup to make sure that you not just have insurance, but that you have enough. It's
Right.
sad when people are underinsured as well. Steve?
Right, yeah. As State Farm agents, we have a process in place to contact our customers once a year, every couple of years, and we know everybody's busy, and they may not want to take 25, 30, even an hour just to sit and have the conversation, it's a simple conversation, an honest conversation about your life situation, life changes, things like that, but it's very, very important to spend a little bit of time every couple of years to sit with your agent just to review your coverages and make sure that you not only have insurance in place, but you have the proper coverages for your individual situation, because we're all different.
Yeah, and just saying underinsured, we didn't even mention how many people are underinsured out there. That's a story that we always do.
Yes,
So.
Right.
yes.
Right.
Oh my goodness. Well, thank you so much for your time and your energy, and also for all the work that you're doing in our community. Really appreciate it today.
It's
thank
our
you.
pleasure. Thank
Yep.
you, Michelle.
Okay, yeah, thank you.